You need meritocratic work. Meritocracy, using a simple definition, is working harder to get more results. And a lot of the work you do isn't even meritocratic. For example, my teachers in college, they can come into class an hour early, make their slides beautiful, prepare the tables with all the tasks we need to complete for that day, but they don't. And the majority of the reason is because they're not paid regarding the work they put in. So, if they were paid per task or per effort they put into the work, then most likely they would do working tasks. For example, making the slides look nice, preparing the tables with all the work. If money is on the line, then people work harder, and meritocratic work, in the sense that you work harder and earn more money, is very, very beneficial for ambitious people and people who like to earn more. So, find this work. A great example of this meritocratic work is this content strategy stuff that I'm doing now, in terms of the more you put in, the more you get out. And that kind of work is very essential to having a consistent progressing success arc. See, if my teachers in college aren't motivated to put the extra effort into the work due to the lack of extra return, then how do you expect to cope on your own? How do you expect to cope when you have this ceiling limitation in place? If you turn up to the work you have to do and you don't get anything from it by doing extra and more quality efficient work, then you're most likely not going to complete it. You need to find high value skills that have none of this limited ceiling in terms of the work to reward ratio. It can be a plethora of different things. The majority of the online business models that you see in the space, such as social media managing, trading, all of these different businesses, all are meritocratic in the regard that the work you put in turns into more reward downstream. Please, and this is a plea for myself in the future and you also, don't get trapped in work that's not meritocratic. If you're not getting paid regarding the output and quality of work you complete, then it's a dead-end job, in my opinion. Commission-based sales are a great example of how the normal 9-to-5 job can be converted into a job that can garner success. And if I were to need to fall back into a job full-time, I wish it to be something like that. I hope this makes sense, and I hope you find the meritocratic work you need. Don't allow a pay ceiling to hold you back from being your most productive self. Find the work that's genuinely beneficial to you, and find the work that has a proper work to reward ratio. If you're looking to get more advice from me, the top link in the description will take you to a meeting page where you can book coaching with me, where I'll help you with real-world tactics, techniques and strategies to specifically fine-tune your life to become more productive. It's helped me and a lot of people around the world to become more productive, and I hope it helps you too. I look forward to seeing you.